The spirit of Mandeville Canyon lies in its surroundings, in the rolling hills punctuated by desert fan palms and coast live oaks, and in the gentle ocean breeze. These contextual elements inspired the creation of a modern rustic home, featuring clean lines and simplified references to traditional American farmhouses. In a city where the climate is warm almost year-round, the materials reflect this ambiance. Travertine, white oak, terracotta, and western red cedar, among other naturally welcoming materials, form the DNA of Mandeville Canyon. The goal was to keep the material palette simple and unadorned while remaining true to the natural environment. The three-story, 19,000-square-foot house stretches discreetly across the 4-acre site, seamlessly connecting with the outdoor areas. The interior decor follows the principle of less is more. Few furniture pieces fill the spaces in the living room, kitchen, and bedrooms. The living spaces on the first floor convey the same feeling, creating a cozy environment where the owners can enjoy warm days under the shade of large trees. The living room is spacious, and the specially chosen furniture includes a curved sofa and a coffee table that evokes nature in its fluid shape. The spaces are arranged within an open floor plan, effectively dissolving the boundary between interior and exterior. It also helps that all sliding aluminum doors can be fully pocketed, erasing any traces of separation. The lower floors are clad in cement plaster with accents of Santa Barbara stone. Simple yet sophisticated in structure and form, the house has windows with thin black frames that add a subtle touch of class. The black window frames also match the metal handrail of the grand staircase, emphasizing the design's focal point. The sinuous forms of the feature steel staircase were meant to diverge from the house's heavier, more rectangular nature. The curves are further accentuated, highlighting and then softening the typical code requirements for railings and guards. It avoids the cliché of a black steel and white plaster spiral staircase by using wood treads and wider black steel components, preserving the elegant, modern farmhouse feel. The upper floor of the house features 3 bedrooms and 2 home offices. The designer kept the bedroom feeling grounded and cozy, using white, beige, and brown tones. The sloped ceiling is clad in red-toned western red cedar. Making the most of the spacious 4-acre site and the enviable views toward Santa Monica beaches was a priority for the architects at Los Angeles-based Walker Workshop, who worked closely with the interior designers at Los Angeles-based Jamie Bush Plus Co. Together, they succeeded in creating a modern home that conveys warmth and livability, often lacking in minimalist and overly curated homes. The patio, which feels like an extension of the house, is beautiful, relaxing, and just steps away from the pool, which is a focal point of the landscape design. Simple and minimalist, the patio is complemented by daybeds positioned in the shallow part of the pool, seeming to float above the water. Next to it is a jacuzzi, additional daybeds, and outdoor sofas for those wishing to enjoy the extraordinary mountain view. The fusion between indoor and outdoor spaces was skillfully achieved using Scala Travertino Eco Outdoor, creating a continuous and uninterrupted surface throughout the residence. Dining, living, and kitchen areas overlook the outdoor pool. The kitchen has a slightly darker theme, with dark wood cabinets and black marble countertops. The appliances also match the black of the countertops. Low-hanging pendant lights fall just at the right height over the island, illuminating the entire kitchen and further warming the monochromatic palette of this minimalist house. The ambition of the interior designers for this particular project was to better connect the surrounding greenery by bringing nature's colors inside as decor in the living room, hall, and garden. The lower level integrates several guest rooms, a caretaker's wing, a gym, and a 75-foot indoor lap pool. The architectural design of the entire house sets itself apart from other Los Angeles-style homes, not for a lack of modernity, but rather for the absence of extravagance found in other residences. This doesn't mean that this minimalist house isn't modern. Rather, it is a space that welcomes nature, seeking to camouflage itself as part of it. The residents enjoy a peaceful environment, stepping away from the city's bustle and enjoying the beauty of this minimalist home where they live.